Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will show you 10 ways to buy luxury products at a discount. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's get started. Everyone loves a good deal, especially when it comes to luxury products. Who wouldn't want to save money and still enjoy the finer things in life? Unfortunately, finding good deals on high-end items can be tricky, but there are ways to get what you want for less. From online stores to thrift shopping and more, these tips will help you get designer goods for less. 10 ways to buy luxury products at a discount. Here is the list of 10 ways to buy luxury products. Number 1. Join a membership program. Many luxury brands offer membership programs that give members exclusive discounts and perks. By signing up for a program like this, you can get exclusive access to sales and discounts that are not available to the general public. Additionally, many membership programs offer rewards points or cash back on purchases, which can further increase your savings. To find a good membership program, start by doing some research online. Look for programs that are offered by retailers that sell luxury products. Once you find a few options, compare the benefits and costs of each one to see which one is right for you. Keep in mind that some membership programs require an annual fee, while others may have monthly or even per purchase fees. Number 2. Shop during sales. Luxury brands often hold sales, both in store and online, where you can find discounts on high-end products. This is when retailers offer deep discounts on their products in order to clear out inventory. However, you need to be aware that some retailers may mark up their prices before a sale in order to make the sale seem more significant. So, it's important to do your research and know what the regular price for each item is before shopping during a sale. Number 3. Buy pre-owned. Buying pre-owned luxury products can save you a significant amount of money, and many retailers and online marketplaces now specialize in selling pre-owned luxury items. When it comes to luxury products, it is important to remember that you do not have to buy new in order to get quality. In fact, buying pre-owned can be a great way to save money on high-end items. Here are a few tips for how to buy pre-owned luxury items. Do your research. When you are looking at pre-owned luxury items, it is important to do your research ahead of time. This way, you will know what you should be looking for in terms of quality and condition. Shop around. There are a number of different places where you can find pre-owned luxury items. Be sure to shop around in order to find the best deal possible. Inspect the item carefully. Once you have found an item that you are interested in, be sure to inspect it carefully before making a purchase. Pay close attention to any signs of wear and tear, and make sure that the item is in the condition that you expect it to be in. Ask questions. If you have any questions about an item, be sure to ask the seller before making a purchase. This will help you ensure that you are getting exactly what you expect from the purchase. By following these tips, you can be sure that you will find great deals on pre-owned luxury products. Number 4. Use coupons and promo codes. Many luxury brands offer coupons and promo codes that can be used to save money on your purchase. You can find these by searching online or in store. Another way to get discounts is to sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite stores. This can give you access to exclusive sales and deals. Finally, you can also wait for seasonal sales to score big savings on luxury items. Number 5. Shop at outlet stores. Many luxury brands have outlet stores where you can find discounted products. Outlet stores are a great way to snag designer items at a fraction of the price, and they often carry items that are exclusive to the outlet. When shopping at an outlet store, it's important to keep in mind that not all items are created equal. Many items sold at outlet stores are seconds or slightly imperfect versions of the item that would be sold at full price in a regular store. That being said, you can still find some amazing deals if you take the time to look through all of the racks. One tip for shopping at outlet stores is to avoid getting caught up in the moment and buying something just because it's a good deal. Number 6. Wait for end-of-season sales. End-of-season sales are a great time to snag luxury items at a fraction of the original price. Many high-end retailers offer significant discounts on last season's merchandise to make room for new collections. So, if you've been eyeing a designer handbag or pair of shoes, wait until the end of the season to buy it, and you could save hundreds of dollars. Of course, you'll need to be patient and keep your eye on the calendar so you don't miss the sale. But it'll be worth it when you score that must-have item at a major discount. Number 7. Look for refurbished or slightly damaged items. If you're looking to score a luxury item at a discount, one option is to look for refurbished or slightly damaged items. This could mean scouring sites like Craigslist or eBay for deals on slightly used items, or checking out brick-and-mortar stores that sell refurbished goods. The great thing about going the refurbished route is that you can often find some amazing deals on high-end products. For example, you might be able to snag a beautiful piece of jewelry that's been lightly worn for a fraction of the cost of a brand new item. Of course, when shopping for refurbished luxury goods, it's important to do your research and make sure you're getting a quality product. Be sure to read online reviews and check out the seller's return policy before making any purchase. Number 8. Sign up for email newsletters. This is a great way to get alerted to sales, new arrivals, and other special events happening at your favorite luxury retailers. Many times, these notifications will include exclusive discounts and promo codes that you can use to save on your purchase. To sign up for email newsletters, you will typically need to provide your email address. You may also be asked to provide additional information such as your name, location, and interests in order to ensure that you receive relevant offers. Look for the Sign Up or Subscribe button on the homepage of the luxury retailer's website or mobile app. Once you have provided your information, you should start receiving emails with exclusive offers and discounts. Number 9. Take advantage of credit card rewards. If you have a credit card that offers rewards, you can use those rewards to get a discount on luxury purchases. For example, if you have a credit card that offers cash back, you can use that cash back to buy luxury items at a discounted price. Additionally, many credit cards offer points that can be redeemed for discounts on travel and other purchases. If you have a credit card that offers rewards, be sure to take advantage of those rewards when buying luxury products. Number 10. Use cashback apps. There are a few different cashback apps available, but the two most popular ones are Ibotta and Ebates. Ibotta offers cash back on groceries, online shopping, and in-store purchases, while Ebates is primarily an online cashback program. To use Ibotta, simply download the app and create an account. Once you're signed in, you can browse through the available offers and select the ones you want to take advantage of. When you make a qualifying purchase, you'll upload a photo of your receipt via the app and receive cash back within 24 hours. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.